I bet you don't know that. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer. That's right. The iron structure of the Eiffel Tower expands when it's warm, making it grow by up to 6 inches or 15 centimeters during the summer months. This happens because metal expands when heated, a phenomenon known as thermal expansion. So, on a hot summer day, the iconic landmark stands a little taller. Next time you visit Paris in the summer, remember that the Eiffel Tower is reaching for the sky just a bit more than usual. For more surprising science facts, be sure to like and subscribe. Did you know that a single teaspoon of honey is the life's work of 12 bees? That's right. Each bee visits thousands of flowers and flies over 50,000 miles to produce just that tiny amount of honey. Bees collect nectar from flowers, store it in their honey stomachs, and then return to the hive to pass it on to other worker bees. Inside the hive, the nectar is processed and turned into honey, which is then stored in honeycombs. It's an incredible team effort that shows just how hardworking these tiny insects are. So next,
Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on it? It's true. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, but it only takes about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This means that a single day on Venus is longer than an entire year. Imagine if you had to wait over 8 months for the Sun to rise and set. Venus's slow rotation is truly mind-boggling. This unique aspect of Venus adds to the mystery and allure of our neighboring planet. For more out-of-this-world facts, be sure to like and subscribe. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? It's true. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. This unique system helps them survive in the deep sea. But why blue blood? Octopuses use a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin to carry oxygen, which turns their blood blue. These fascinating creatures are not only masters of disguise, but also have some of the most interesting biology in the animal kingdom. With 3 hearts and blue blood, octopuses are truly unique.
Did you know that sharks have been around longer than trees? That's right. Sharks first appeared about 400 million years ago, while the first trees didn't appear until around 350 million years ago. These incredible predators roamed the oceans long before forests covered the land. The earliest trees, like Archaeopteryx, were very different from the trees we know today. But by that time, Did you know that humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas? It sounds wild, but it's true. At a basic genetic level, humans and bananas have a lot in common. This is because all living things share some common genetic building blocks. These shared genes are responsible for basic cellular functions like growth and reproduction. Even though humans and bananas are vastly different, the fundamental processes of life are remarkably similar. So next time you eat a banana, remember that you're more closely related to it than you might think. For more amazing science facts, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Did you know that bananas are actually berries, but strawberries aren't? Botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single ovary and has seeds embedded in the flesh. Bananas fit this definition perfectly. They develop from a single ovary and have seeds inside, making them true berries. Strawberries, on the other hand, have seeds on the outside and develop from multiple ovaries, so they aren't considered true berries. Surprising, right? So next time you enjoy a banana, remember you're eating a true berry.
Did you know that hot water can freeze faster than cold water? It sounds impossible, but it's true. This is called the Mpemba effect. When water is heated, it loses some of its dissolved gases, which can affect freezing. Plus, hot water evaporates more quickly, reducing its volume and making it freeze faster. Scientists are still studying this phenomenon to fully understand it, but it's a fascinating example of how surprising science can be. Next time you're making ice cubes, try it out and see the Mpemba effect in action. Fill a plastic bottle with water, mark the level, and freeze it overnight. Next day, notice the water level is higher. Water expands when it freezes. This happens because ice forms a crystalline structure that's less dense than water. That's why ice floats, and it helps aquatic life survive winter. Amazing, right? Try it at home and stay curious.
welcome everyone. Let's do a simple experiment. Take your palm near your mouth. Breath out on you palm with your mouth wide open. What your experience? As usual, a warm stream of air will be felt on you palm. Now do the same thing, but opening you mouth as you are blowing air forcefully out. Now is there any change in the temperature? If yes, get ready to understand why this happened. The phenomena you have witnessed is called Joule-Thomson effect. The air came out at first case had large area, and thus there is no change in pressure. In second case, you have created a pressure inside your mouth, and when the pressurized air came out, its pressure suddenly dropped. Due to this, the temperature of air got lowered, and thus the air feels cooler. Want scientific fact like these? Subscribe to this channel for more such shorts.